Good evening, guys. This is called a short tutorial on how stop and start push buttons work. So this is our network, and this is our start, and this is our stop button. So we'll click on the start button, click on the stop, then click on this coil, which is our output. So we come over here, and once you're done clicking, if you notice there's something like a question mark on top here, so you have to address this. So we'll come over here and we are addressing them by bits, and we addressed the inputs as I0.3, I0.3. Then we address start and stop buttons are input. Please take note of that. We address the second one as I0.4. I0.4. Then we address this is our output, as Q0.3. So this is it. This is the addressing, and this is it. So you come up here, you download, then you monitor. So in this case, I think our app is going to work. See, you see this green light here? It shows you that this program can actually work and it can actually function. But there is no network, there is no current passing through this place now. I don't know if you understand. So if you come here, you remember I told you that this push button, this normally open is start button. This is a normally close stop button. And if you come to our field device, we're using this stimulator as our field device here. All these stimulators, look at it, they are all normally open. And a normally open cannot work. A normally close and a normally close cannot work, because it will be showing you false, it will be giving you a false. That means current cannot pass through. So in this case, you come to this 3, which is normally open, and this is normally open. So for it to work, you have to make this a normally close. You have to make this a normally close and this a normally open. That is the only way current can pass through. So if you come to this 3, you click. Are you seeing you have an output? Let me show you all. You can see now you have an output, and this is a normally close and this is a normally open. Then for you to off it, your off is what's here, I0.4. You come here, you go to your field device, 4, you close it. Once you close it, are you seeing that there is no output again? This is like a short tutorial on how the push button works. So stay tuned for my next video where I show you how to click and unclick and still get an output. So let me just phrase it a little so it doesn't confuse you then. If you notice, here is a normally closed and here is a normally open. So if you click and unclick here, you don't have an output. You only have to click and still remain clicking for you to get an output. So stay tuned for my next video so I show you how you can click and unclick and still get an output. Thank you.